Hello everybody and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Scratch. So today we're going to explore the sounds menu. So if you don't know what is the sounds menu, it is basically the menu where you add and put effects to sounds. So using that, we are going to make a project using sounds, using this menu. So let's jump in. First, we're gonna head on to sounds, this menu over here. You'll see you have a default sound already. And then you might see these options. Like you have faster, slower, louder, softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse, and robot. So, for reverse, it basically reverses the sound. So, for example, for this one, you have the original, and then the reversed option would be. There you go. After that, we have the robot sound. It makes the sound being played sound robotic. Now with this sound, you might feel like there's a robotic cat around you. Fade in makes the sound being played. Fade in. Fade out. Makes it fade out. Louder makes it louder. Slower makes it slower. Faster makes it faster. Basically, you can do a lot of stuff with this. So, we're gonna then try the echo sound, which I know you might be not here. So, voila! We have now made it to Turbo Warp, the mod of Scratch. Anyway, let's continue. So, here are the sounds. We're gonna choose a sound. Here we have a lot of sounds. So, for example, we're gonna choose this one. The original sound is. Here you have the same stuff, but over here you have echo. It just echoes the sound. If you want to go crazy, you can just stamp it. I've explained to you all of these. Slower makes it slower. You have this, which is the amount of time which is you're gonna make using this sound. Yes, softer, and then you have faster, slower, softer, mute. Mute basically mutes the sound. It just yeah. Yep, it mutes the sound. You can't undo that. So be careful with the mute sound. If we get the alert sound again. Yep. So, now we're going to move on to making a project. So, when green flag clicked, we're going to do something cool here. We're going to bring a forever loop. And then if we head on to sound, it will basically play it forever. It won't even stop. It will just distort. So, if you like, make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell, and share this with friends and family. So, thanks for watching. Bye.